The Attendant Prodigy Bladder Scanner simplifies the bladder scanning process like no other product in senior living, and staff can be trained quickly. Be sure to read the full owner's manual before use. To take a scan, first, apply a single pack of gel, or enough on the resident's belly so the entire window surface of the scanner will be evenly covered by the gel. Remove the scanner probe from the console to wake up the system. Blue lights will appear in the scanner probe window, indicating it's communicating with the console. Wipe down the scanner probe if needed before proceeding. The scanner should be placed midway between the pubic bone and navel of the resident. The handle should be pointing straight up and down. Then, press the scanner probe in the tissue until its window portion is no longer visible. Next, press and release the button to perform a scan. There is no need to move or aim the scanner probe. Hold the scanner probe steady during the scan for approximately 3 seconds. The 8 individual transducers will spin inside the scanner probe to automatically locate the bladder. You may see a small air bubble in the probe window. That is normal. The volume will be displayed on the console. If more than one measurement is taken, the largest volume measured during the session is displayed on the left side of the screen. The current reading in the session is displayed on the right side of the screen, alongside the bladder projection. The console and probe can wirelessly communicate up to 30 feet from each other. To close out the session, remove the scanner probe from the resident, clean and return it to the console. For cleaning instructions, see the cleaning and maintenance video. The current reading and bladder projection will be cleared from the screen. The largest and most accurate reading from the session will remain displayed on the left side of the screen. Be sure you document the result. The value will be displayed for 30 minutes after the scanner probe is returned. Then, yellow lights will appear on the scanner probe, indicating that it is charging. At the end of the day, return the unit to its storage or charging location and plug it in so it can charge and perform self-diagnostics and calibration. If you have questions about the Attendant Prodigy Bladder Scanner from Direct Supply, contact your account manager.